Hey, this is Jeff at Mills RV, and I'm here to tell you about a new product we're carrying. This is something that might interest you whether you have an RV or not. This is NosGuard. It is a odor eliminating, and I don't say covering, odor eliminating product that we carry. Now, a lot of stuff out there, if you've got a bad smell, you're going to spray, Febreze or aerosol, or even maybe use a disinfectant spray and do that, which will kill some bacteria. But one, it's hard to get to those hard to reach spaces, and two, it really just doesn't seem like you can get it all. Well, what this is instead, this is a chlorine dioxide generating kit. And so what you do is you put this in there, very simple follow instructions. You close up the unit, and 4 to 6 hours to overnight, depending on how strong your smells are, you leave this in your RV or another small space you have. And what it does is that the vapor goes in all the spaces, into the fabric, into the corners and crevices, and it kills the bacteria that causes the odors. This works amazing. Some of the stuff it'll kill, again, it'll kill mold, mildew, cigarette and cigar smoke, cooking, garbage, rotten food, pets, alcohol, chemicals, more of that. Comparing it to air fresheners and stuff, air fresheners are easy to use, they don't say anything, but that's it. They don't last longer. If you use the aerosol sanitizers, they do penetrate some fabrics and they do control some of the bacteria, and they're EPA registered, but that's it. None of those, so this does not have any restrictions in California as cancer-causing products, so it's safer than those other things. The aerosol spray, air sanitizers doesn't leave a sit, no residue, and it's a permanent odor removal unless you add some kind of other odor in there, some food or something like that. Works really, really well. I'll tell you just a testimonial about this. So we had one of our rental units come back from Colorado, and apparently going to Colorado meant different than what it used to. I thought it meant you went to skiing. Well, apparently going to Colorado means people are enjoying the new recreational use of marijuana. So we had a unit come back, and even though there's no smoking in our unit, it smelled like the inside of a joint. It was terrible. I mean, the whole thing reeked when you opened the doors. I couldn't even stand to be inside of it. It was terrible. We put one of these in there, left it overnight, no smell whatsoever. Truly amazing. It completely removed it. We had tried cleaning it already. We had tried an old ozone generating machine we had already. None of that worked. In one night, this took care of that smell. So it really can work. Again, testimonial, I've proven it. I have another, one of the reps for this company actually said they used it on a product. They spilled gasoline in a car, put this in the car and even kill the smell of that. So really, really good product. I'd love you to come try it out here. We've got a really aggressive price on it. Come try it out, and then post on the video what you think about it, if it works or doesn't work. But I think you'll be really pleased. Again, this is Jeff at Mills RV, and helping you get rid of smells so you can enjoy the journey. Hey, this is Jeff at Mills RV. If you couldn't tell from the logos everywhere, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Check out one of the other videos to my left, but definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the logo in the center. We have content coming out, frequently asked questions, unit walkthroughs. A lot of those things RVers have asked us over the years, we're putting online for you to be able to have whenever you want. Whatever you do though, enjoy the journey.